Morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. We got the winter barley cut. Now we're baling. Well, we're not baling. Jim is for Christ's sake. We got the winter barley cut. That's all in the shed. Now, a local horse rescue place. They've got their own tractor and baler, and they've been having our straw for God knows how many years. They got a McCormick tractor and a New Holland round baler, and we'll just go down the field. We're just at the field now, and we'll see what sort of job he's making, and yeah, speak to Jim. So we're down the field with Jim. We've got a New Holland baler. Just going to go and have a round with him, and we've got to run out net wrap, haven't we, Jim?
Slightly.
Better change the roll now.
That's it.
Sorted. Righto then, Jim, now in the baler. How long you been doing the job for then, mate?
Doing it for several years now. On and off.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm any good at it, but right.
It's going alright today though, isn't it?
Yeah, not too bad so far.
Bit bumpy on this end.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to be interviewing me probably if something goes wrong. Okay, get ready to turn that off. That's just a cursory warning. I would have preferred having one of those.
So how do you know when you've got a full bale in the chamber then, Jim?
Right, all I have to see then is, if you look at that bit there, that's closed, the chamber's now closed. That'll go up to about 155. When that goes to 155, that means I'm getting near the end of the bale.
Right.
And then it'll go to 165, and then the alarm will come on continuously, which tells me, help me, I want to get out of this bale. And that's when I get. And then the process starts all over again.
Yeah. And we're doing it today with no aircon.
Yeah.
Got no aircon, it's about 28 degrees.
Surrounded by glass house.
And yeah, loving life, isn't you?
Always.
He just spoken to Jim only a little bit. He's a good old boy, he comes every year. Been doing it a couple of years now, like I said, for the horse rescue place. They have the barley straw and some of the wheat straw, some of our wheat straw, and then we bale some ourselves in little square bales to put on top of the potatoes. But no, Jim's a good old boy. He knows his stuff. Listen to him well, and he's a good hand on the baler. When we ring him up, he always comes, so credit to him. And yeah, we should put the drone up when he goes up and down. But I'll tell you what, there's going to be a lot of bales off this field, like I said in the other video, because there's a lot of straw. We should probably come back. I'll ask him later how many bales he got off this field. But yeah, it's going well. It is going well. And there you go. It's all right. It's all right combining it and leaving the straw, but if your fields aren't baled and cleared in a certain amount of time, then you can't get on with cultivations, you can't get on with drilling. So it's equally as important to bale and get your land cleared. So yeah, that's why we get on with Jim, and yeah, that's why we try and do as best a job as possible. The only thing is with that baler, it's sometimes where there's a tram line, it leaves a bit of straw. The last couple of years we have set it up better. Jim set it up better as well, and we told him to drive faster, and he's making a good bale. Before we had a few problems with the baler, but she's making a nice round bale now. She's not making a nice round bale now. Bit of green in there, but like I said, it needed to be combined on that day. That'll be fine. That will be fine. So we'll stick the drone footage up in a minute. You can have a look at Jim baling. So hopefully Jim will get this one baled today, and he'll drop in the other field another day, and then we'll get it cleared, and then we'll get on to doing some cultivation work. That's it for this video. If I've got time, I'll put it out midweek. If I haven't, it'll be the weekend when you're watching this, hopefully. But don't forget, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, and then we'll start selling these hats, t-shirts, hoodies, you name it, or whatever you want. Drop it in the comments. But any questions, if you want to see Jim a bit more, put it in the comments as well. Yeah, that's Fen Farming. We're done. See you later.